So Business Sprints is a very innovative way to drive education thanks to connecting companies and students.
Okay, so we are having the opportunity to work with the AI Business School on a business sprint. And I think that we could face this challenge in our department in order to get new innovative ideas.
And companies, basically what they do, they bring a challenge that is presented to the students, and in a limited time, 5-6 weeks, they have to come with alternatives to solve that challenge.
The opportunity of launching this challenge in the business sprints with IE came from the decision of trying to look for new perspectives and opportunities outside the company.
Hello team, and welcome to this start of your business sprints. This time you have Merz, the company Merz Aesthetics, which have a very interesting challenge about marketing.
This is something that is happening on the go. You're learning on the go. You're implementing while everything is happening. And actually what you are delivering, it's something that is going to be implemented for the company.
Hello, thank you for the introduction. Nice to meet you all. My name is Sofia Fernandez and I'm currently working as an innovation specialist for Merz Aesthetics Iberia. And I'm going to be working with you on this business sprint as a sponsor.
I believe that one of the main value of those business sprints was receiving relevant feedback from the company on how they're going to do that, what can be the challenges, the blockers.
I have a few ways to approach them, but I still have a few doubts for the company.
Yes, I think it's best that we sit down with the company and ask all of our questions.
My role as a professor is mostly to guide them, but also to provide them with different frameworks, tools, methodologies. I can really push them to get and dig deeper into the problem, develop certain skills such as problem solving, collaboration, communication, leadership, and put them into practice. So you guys feel that the problem is way too broad? Then let's do something. Why don't we approach the company again and maybe let's try to get some contacts with different stakeholders within the company? What do you think about that?
I think it's so great for both parts. From the student perspective, having the chance to think differently, comes to a new area, get new ideas or even new ways of addressing challenges that can be very beneficial for them when they go back to their ecosystem. It's a great advantage for both parts.
First of all, congratulations to all of you. It has been a pleasure working with you. All the ideas and proposals were really good, so good job and congratulations.
For students, it's about gaining skills and capabilities. For companies, it's about receiving new ideas in their challenges. And the value for IE is to promote real-life project-based learning that it's readily applicable for the employability of the students.